Just waiting to record here. Oh, look, it's a kitty cat. So welcome to the first edition of Team Member Spotlight. Still working on the name. I'm not really feeling it. It's a deep pondering thought right now. But for today, we're going to go with Team Member Spotlight. So today, I want to do a special shout out to one of our newest tier level digital marketing team members, Madison Hood. Everybody put your hands together. It's so awkward clapping in a room with no audience. I just want to say that. But anyway, so Madison Hood, I am so excited that she has joined our team here at Tier Level Digital Marketing. Madison, and this is a great story because with every team member, there's typically a story for the most part. And I'm going to share that story right now with how we met Madison. So it goes back to 3, maybe 4 years ago. And it started with a good buddy of mine, Jeff Cupterson. Now, if you don't know who Jeff Cupterson is, I highly recommend you Google his name because he's kind of a big deal. Yeah, big deal. And Jeff is the owner of one of the larger SERVPROs in the country, specifically in Chattanooga and Knoxville, Tennessee. So if you don't know who Jeff is, I definitely recommend you check out who Jeff is. So anyway, not to get off point. Jeff hired a young intern or marketing support coordinator about 3-4 years ago named Madison. And at the time, her name wasn't Madison Hood because obviously she got married. Just a little inside information. And I'm kind of going blank right now what her original last name was. But anyway, I'll ask her later so she can put it in the comments on this video. So anyway, Madison goes to work for Jeff. We start to meet Madison because we're kind of working with Jeff on some of his digital marketing and strategy stuff. And first and foremost, we were blown away by what she brought to the table. Not only was she young, fresh out of college, she just had a lot of ambition in video, digital marketing, creativity. Sorry, I can't get my words messed up today.
What are you saying?
Not saying anything.
You're saying something.
What could I be saying?
Well, you're not saying nothing. You must be saying something.
And anyway, so it was kind of funny because she was definitely like an ideal team member that we would want at Tier Level Digital Marketing. So I always joked with Jeff that we were going to steal her away one day. And that day has come. She now works for Tier Level Digital Marketing. So we're super excited. But we didn't steal her away. So let me clarify the story before rumors start going and people start saying, oh, Tier Level Digital Marketing stealing people from other places. Madison and her husband, like I said earlier, if you pay attention to the story, Madison got married. She now has a husband. When you're married, you make decisions together, and that can involve sometimes relocating to a different state based on one of the spouse's job. So, and that's what happened. Madison's husband had an opportunity to move to Arizona. Beautiful place, a little hot for me right now, but you got that dry air, so it's not too bad.
Water would be nice.
But anyway, not to get off track here, Madison relocated, and I got a call from Jeff saying that Madison might be looking for a new opportunity, and I said, wow, that could be a good fit for us. And we talked back and forth and eventually worked it out. And now Madison is on our team. So Jeff, sorry for your loss. Not really, because we have her now and we're really happy about that. But no, thank you, Jeff, for that referral. Awesome, awesome. So Madison has just joined our team. I'm recovering from COVID, so I've been kind of MIA for the last week.
What did you say?
So she just joined a couple weeks ago. And I have to say, this is somebody that... when you're building a team for a company that's been around for 4, 5, 6 years, and you're looking to add high quality people, that is exactly what Madison fits to our organization right now. So I'm very excited that we have Madison now. She's really being a part of our digital marketing operation, working closely with our COO, Whitney Shue, and our Chief Strategy Officer, Ashley Marshall. So, you know, I would definitely say we are expecting big things, not only for our existing clients, but our future clients and our future development of our company because of having Madison in place right now. So, you know, it's crazy to think, wow, you know, several years ago, I made a joke about it, and now we actually have her on our team. So I guess as it says, when you meet somebody you think you want to have on your team one day, don't rule it out. Like, it can happen. And don't steal the person.
Put it back.
And like, I could have been a jerk and easily manipulated her away from Jeff. I mean, Jeff is extremely good looking, works out all the time, super successful entrepreneur, family man. I mean, why would anyone want to work for somebody like that? Just kidding. He's probably one of the best places to work in Chattanooga, Knoxville. But anyway, what I'm excited to say is you just never know where relationships will end up. And we are so blessed and so happy to have Madison Hood on our team right now. And I can't wait to see all the things that she developed. She has been an absolute rock star out of the gate. And everybody on our team is just positive vibes, which is awesome when you hire a new team member. So, Madison, if you are watching this video as a welcome to Tier Level Digital Marketing, we would like to hook you up with some swag from our print shop. Like, a lot of people don't know, Tier Level has a print shop. What? Yeah, we make t-shirts and embroidery and hats and all kinds of cool stuff. But hey, check this out.
You don't tell me what I didn't do.
I want you to reach out to Angela Goodwin, who runs our shop. Awesome person. I also know because I'm technically dating her. I hope. Usually she gets mad when I do videos like this and say things like that. But I want you to reach out to Angela. I want her to send you some samples, pick out like a bag, some shirts, some hats, whatever swag you want with Tier Level Digital Marketing on it. And we are going to hook you up. So that's just a little welcome surprise for you. We're so excited. I know you're in Arizona. You are working remote on our team, where a majority of our team is here in Oklahoma, but we love having her. I mean, she's so trustworthy, so on top of the ball. She does incredible video footage, by the way. So if you haven't seen some of the stuff she's done when she worked for SERVPRO and Jeff Cuthbertson, I would definitely recommend checking it out because she is just full of talent, and I can't wait to see how we're going to utilize her talents in the future, unlike me, who's shooting this video right now and not really that good at it. So,
say that again.
Anyway, special props to Justin Rose, who will be editing this later. But anyway, Madison, we're so excited that you're on the team. Definitely reach out to Angela. Tell her, because sometimes she gets mad when I give things away like this. Tell her that I said to hook you up with whatever you want. So I know I'll probably get a phone call in a little bit and get in trouble for saying that. But that's how much we appreciate you. We want you to get the hookup. Be sure to do that right away. So Madison, thank you so much for joining the team at Tier Level Digital Marketing. I'm excited about this series. Like, I think a lot of the team members are going to get surprised when they hear, you know, the origin story, how they ended up here. And I think it's needed to be done. I think more CEOs need to get out there and talk about their team in a humanizing way.
You are scum! I should fire you and burn down your friggin' house!
I mean, it's kind of fun. Like, it's kind of fun talking about this. But Madison, I know you well, but I'm looking forward to getting to know you even better. And I'm absolutely excited for everything you're going to do for our team. And I know the team is super pumped to have you on board. So anyway, have a great week. And yeah, again, what am I calling this series again? Hey, Angela, what's up? Yes, I did tell Madison to pick out some stuff from the print shop. Yes, I know. Absolutely. It's not a common thing that I'm just giving away merch like that. But don't worry about it. I'll take care of it. I will pay for it. Don't worry about it. No, it's just totally cool. I promise I will not make another video giving away free merch like that again.